Hello FYP-academy viewers, as you watch this video is about some hard drivers to install, and one of them is my driver right for now. It is 4350 ATI Radeon. That is kind of an old 1 GB GPU card, and you know that from this driver, this application, I did my best to install this driver, but never and never I could. As you watch from this application in the catalyst, I could not to install driver. So there is another way, and I show you how to do it. That is easy. Just open this PC section, and here right click on this PC, manage, and then device manager and display adapters. Right click on Microsoft Basic, and the upper one, update driver software. Here choose the browse my computer for driver software, and here let me pick on hard disk. Choose the path of your driver path. Here my driver path is on new folder, and here are the contents of the driver. So I choose browse, and after choosing browse, here from packages, drivers, display, in 7 I choose the upper one and then open, then OK. So ATI Radeon HD 43 and also 45 series, then next, and we wait until installing driver software. As you watch, you see that it is blinking right now. That means the right installing of the driver. Sometimes it is hard, but for me this was just finished installing the driver software. Here I can check that ATI Radeon HD 43 series is installed, and I hope it works for me. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye.